about the last brand you followed on social media? Chances are you didn't follow them after seeing just one post. Maybe they kept showing up with the same vibe, same energy week after week until one day you just had to hit follow. That's what consistent content does. It turns strangers into followers and followers into customers. But behind every brand that looks effortless online, there's a system, a calendar, a workflow, and usually a really good design tool. For millions of creators and marketers, that tool is Canva. And today, we're looking at Canva's content planner, how it works, how to get the most out of it, and where to take it when your content operation starts to scale. So let's get into how it actually works. And the good news is, it's a lot simpler than you might expect. Start by heading to Canva homepage and clicking on Content Planner. You'll land on a clean calendar view that lays out your upcoming weeks at a glance, and from here, everything else follows. Next, connect your social media accounts. Hit the Connect button, link your profiles, and choose exactly where each piece of content will go, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any of the other supported platforms. Once you're connected, pick a date on the calendar and hit the plus button. From there, you can pull in a recent project, start from a blank canvas, or browse Canvas templates if you need a head start. When your design is ready, hit Share, then Schedule. Choose the channel, write your caption, set the date and time, and that's it. It's queued up and ready to go. And if your plans change, which they always do, just click on any scheduled post to update it, move it, or remove it entirely. The calendar stays flexible, and so does your workflow. Now that you know the basics, here are a few ways to get even more out of the content planner. The first one is batching. Instead of building posts one day at a time, set aside a focused block to create everything at once and let the schedule handle the rest. It's one of the easiest ways to stay consistent without it taking over your week. Pair that with Canvas templates and your batching sessions become even faster. Templates keep your visuals, tone, and themes aligned across every post, so you're not making design decisions from scratch every single time. As your content goes live, keep an eye on the analytics. Impressions, clicks, and interactions are all visible right inside Canva, so you can see what's working without jumping between tools. And if you're working with a team, the content planner makes collaboration straightforward. Everything lives in one shared space, so reviewing, editing, and adjusting posts stays clean and confusion-free. Canva's content planner works well, but like any tool, it comes with some limitations. For starters, scheduling is capped at 25 single-image posts per day. On desktop, the content planner doesn't support reels or stories. For those, you'd need to switch to the mobile app. Carousel posts aren't supported either. Even small edits after scheduling require pausing and rescheduling the post. And for teams managing bigger campaigns, there's no built-in approval flow, task tracking, or review visibility. And that's really where the gap starts to show. Canva handles the creative and the scheduling beautifully, but the coordination layer around it still lives somewhere else. That's where ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, can fill in the gaps for you. Instead of your publishing timeline existing separately from the work behind it, ClickUp's AI-powered calendar keeps everything connected. Posts become tasks with captions, assets, and ownership, moving through statuses like draft, review, and published, so the whole team always knows where things stand. And when it comes to actually creating that content, ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant, handles the heavy lifting. Ask it to generate caption ideas for a campaign, match a specific tone, include a call to action, and it produces ready-to-use variations without you ever leaving your workspace. Once content scales, consistency becomes less about posting frequently and more about coordinating everything surrounding those posts. Canva's Content Planner is a simple way to plan and schedule your posts. And once your content is scheduled, the next step is keeping the whole workflow aligned. ClickUp helps you manage everything around the post, from planning to review to publish. Sign up free today at clickup.com.